Namaste. In this video, we are going to learn how to evaluate functions. Another use of functions notation is to easily plug values into functions. If we want to substitute a variable for an expression, we simply replace the variable with what we want to plug in. Here I am taking two questions. This is the first one. Fx is equal to 3x square minus 4x. Find f minus 2. So minus 2 we substitute in this function. So f minus 2, wherever x we replace with minus 2. So 3 minus 2. And remember one thing, if negative number, always use parenthesis. Okay? Otherwise, you will get wrong answer. This is minus 2. Here 3 and minus 2 square is 4. And minus multiply with minus plus 4 times 2, 8. And 3 times 4 is 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8, 20. So you can observe here we are solving just like PEMDAS rule. So given function is this one, and here when we put minus 2, so f minus 2, we evaluate and we get answer 20. Here is another question. Hx is equal to 3 to the power 2x minus 6. We have to find out h4. So x replace with 4. X substitute means 4 substitute here in this function. 3, 2, here 2 power. X value 4 minus 6. So 2 times 4, 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6, 2, and 3 square is 9. So answer is 9. So this type of questions very easy. But if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.